Hello, DIY enthusiasts and bedroom design dreamers. James here, and today let's take a special look at how bedrooms are designed inside. Instead of just liking how it looks, we are looking behind the scenes to find the tools that make it happen. These are the helpers that we usually forget, but help us create spaces that are not only pretty but also useful. First up, we have the mighty tape measure. This tool is designer's best friend, helping us ensure that everything fits just right in our space. It's all about precision. Whether we are measuring the space for a new bed or figuring out the perfect spot for a nightstand, the tape measure is our go-to tool. Next, we cannot forget about the level. This tool ensures our shelves and artwork hang perfectly straight. No more groove frames. It's simple tool, but it makes a big difference. With a level, we can be confident that our designs will look professional and polished. And of course, where would we be without our trusty drill? It's essential for securing items and adding those finishing touches. Whether we are hanging a mirror, installing a curtain rod, or assembling a piece of furniture, the drill is a tool we reach time and time again. Now, we have the humble pencil, perfect for marking out where our fixtures and fittings will go. It's the silent hero of the design process. With a pencil, we can plan out our designs, make adjustments, and ensure everything is just right before we make it permanent. Now, let's talk about the stud finder. This handy tool helps us locate studs in the wall, ensuring our heavy items are securely mounted. It's all about safety and stability. With a stud finder, we can hang heavy mirrors, shelves, and artwork with confidence. Finally, we have the screwdriver set. From assembling furniture to installing hardware, these are a must-have for any bedroom design project. Each screwdriver has a specific purpose, and together they help us tackle a wide range of tasks. And that's a wrap. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference in your interior design journey. They help us turn our vision into reality, creating spaces that are both beautiful and functional. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more DIY inspo, and share your bedroom building adventures. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Drilling Nerd.